Next, we'll configure the visual layout for a mobile app. Click into the Emotions tab. Make sure you've selected List as the style for under Layout. Under Features, let's make sure that this checkbox, Show Search Bar, is ticked. And then under Add, let's make sure that this checkbox, Allow User to Add Items, is left unchecked. We don't actually want users to add more emotions to our list. We drill down into a specific emotion. You can see that on the right we have 4 components: title, basic text, and rich text. We're actually going to convert this bottom rich text component into a basic text. So if you click into it and delete, we can add another component here. Go ahead and select Action Required as the data type. And finally, we'll add one more component. Let's add a button. This button will copy the text from Action Required. And let's relabel this button. Now, anytime I want to copy the suggested action required, I can do that by clicking this button and then maybe sending it to a friend in an iMessage.